Okay. This video was just like this series of videos is just trying to get through the different axioms that we need. So far we have the axiom of existence, which tells us that there is a set. We have the axiom of extension, which tells us when two sets are the same. It tells us that two sets are the same if they have the same elements. And we have the axiom schema of comprehension. Remember, that gives us the set. So let me record these just so we know what's happening. The empty set exists. The axiom of extension, that tells us when is A equal B. And A equals B when one way to put it is that A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. And then we have axiom schema of comprehension, which tells us that, which allows us to define the set B, which is all the x's such that P of x. That's what the axiom schema of comprehension gives. And we had a proposition that tells us that if B and B prime are two sets given by the axiom schema of comprehension, then B equals B prime. So that makes this notation justified, you know. Okay, now we have the axiom of pairing as our next axiom. And that tells us that we take two sets A and B, then there exists another set, a set C, such that X is in C if and only if X equals A or X equals B. And in the next video, we will prove that the set given by the axiom of pairing is unique.